But all was not well. Villagers had received some uninvited guests and were now trying to deal with them, using all means at their disposal. At first, it was a hide-and-seek game between the rogue elephants and the villagers. At times, the villagers watching from a safe distance as the jumbos caused distraction. And when the animals had calmed down, noise from the curious villagers, most of whom had never seen live elephants before, kept the huge animals on the move, leading to further distraction.
Sisi hatukukuwa tunatumaini kama hiyo kitu itakuja. Hata wengine tulikuwa jiani tukienda kanisani, tukarudi kwa kusikia kelele.
At one time, the whole saga turned comical when this elephant found its way into a toilet. It kicked, tossed and turned, and it managed to free itself. Everyone scampered for dear life. There was even more drama as the rangers attempted to push this third jumbo to the forest. The chase took the rangers and excited wananchi through maize plantations into the bushes.
Nine rogue elephants have been on a rampage invading their farms and the crops. Yesterday, 5 farmers escaped death narrowly after the elephants attacked them on their farm. The elephants are continuing feet on the main path, refusing to find their way to the farms in a bid to avoid the electric fence. Several KWS officers have been deployed in the